ఓకే. సో, ఇప్పుడు ఎన్ని స్టాండర్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి స్కూల్‌లో?
We are having from playgroup to PP to UKG.
పీపీ టు యూకేజీ. ఓన్లీ 3 స్టాండర్డ్స్?
4 standards.
4 స్టాండర్డ్స్.
Playgroup, nursery,
హ్మ్.
PP1 and PP2.
ఓకే. సో, హౌ ద సిలబస్ వుడ్ బి హియర్?
Syllabus, we are
సిలబస్,
following the,
ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఎక్సెట్రా.
yeah, we do have formative assessment here.
ఓకే.
And we have end of the month, this is theme based approach.
ఓకే.
It's a CBSE affiliated school.
ఓకే.
So this year we are upgrading to curriculum 2.0.
హ్మ్.
In curriculum 2.0, what all the we are coming up with 5 different concepts. That is FinChamp, SDG. SDG is the main thing, Sustainable Developmental Goals. So that is what in abroad they are promoting that to create the strong environmental awareness. Just assume yes, little bird is very aware of the social responsibility. When they are walking on the road, they should not drop the papers. They have to keep their premises clean.
హ్మ్.
So these things and all, that SDG we are upgrading, zero hunger, zero wastage, no wastage of food. These all we will cover in SDG concept. So how we will implement that? So we will go with environmental day like other schools. Every month we have non-fire cooking here. So the children have to dress up like a chef and they have to do their food. And once they are preparing their own food, they will take pride of their own work. So in one concept, we will develop the children. Why some parents they may question us, why you are going for cooking for small child? First thing, irrespective of the gender, everyone have to learn cooking. Why it is too early? Being a 2-year-old, will my child can able to cook? It's a non-fire cooking, right? So you don't have to worry about the safety norms. But when your mama is not well, the child can able to go into the kitchen, take one slice of bread, they can apply the jam and the child can eat by themselves. That is what we will do. Salad, they will prepare the salad. They will love to do that. You are going to keep the peeled things and they will do only one nimbu. That is a fine motor activity. Now you are giving clay dough. Kitchen is the best place for the child to learn. If you are taking your child to a kitchen, 4 different skills we will focus. First, that will come inherently to the children. If you see the children who are all super active at home, in the living area and bedroom, generally they enter into the kitchen, they will wait for the mama's comment, whether they can able to touch this or not.
ఓకే.
You don't have to teach that. So kitchen, once the child enters the kitchen, first the skill it will develop is listening. They will wait for the command. Then is observation, eye and hand coordination.